people. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, good night. I greet you according to your time. Also, now they fine. Sorry if una not they see my face, okay? I will show again later the day. Now don't fair know me, okay? Don't be new thing. My people, this Nancy and Korra of 18. Hey, Wahala. We all know say Korra go Naija. Which we see. Hey, I love you, Tina Tango. Thank you for coming. Thank you. God bless you for coming. I appreciate your comments. God bless you. We all know say Korra go Naija. You know say this life, if person they tell you truth, it go be say that person na your enemy. Okay? Korra carry bag. I think na one bag he carry go Nigeria. More than no verse. I dey watch this, so don't be say I don't dey watch. I know what talk. I just say me I feel keep quiet first because I get what I did do. I greet you, the learners. How you dey? Thank you for coming. Wanna help me share this video. I just dey watch. I dey do something, you know. So I said, okay, me if I just get free time, I must still talk my own. You know, everybody get their own opinion. You know, say this social media of 18, anything where you bring comments, everybody feel talk put. Because now you carry yourself come. You know, can't tell them they want to talk. You understand? You know, can't tell them say talk like this, talk like this. Good afternoon, everybody. I greet everybody. Help me to share this video. May we come here, may we can still talk small. Okay, if you want to contribute, my phone number is this page. You can also call in. Your opinion probably not they will not the insult for here with the talking the way our OB. You understand? You get your opinion, me get my opinion. Everybody get you. Respect each other, okay? So Korra go Naija, which good and fine as he go Nigeria. He get one video where I do I think about 4 days ago. Somebody come the right hand from there say Korra go Nigeria. Me, I did not believe. Because when I not see something, you know, say social media, somebody feel they talk something where be say it go like maybe not like you want me, you know, something like that. So for me, I didn't like me, I go look am. When I go look am, because I know say they give a baby breast. Okay? So because as that person tell me say no, he go Nigeria now, say no. I don't believe, or maybe he carry a pikin go, which I know say your husband not go gree me carry that child go. So now say me I go look am. When I really see I say Korra go Nigeria and he leave the 2 children for somebody else. Because we know say the ex-husband not there. That one there for holiday. Did it really touch me? I can't ask myself. I believe say we always be mother. We on you understand when you want even stop to the breastfeed your pikin. They take let me just say a week. That's a week. The baby not go there okay. Go there nervous, many things, you know, because of say, you know, they take the milk where they take again. I can't imagine say, so Korra get mind to leave that child for another person and go Nigeria just to wait 2 days before the ex go come. Hey, no, so everybody get the way they take deal, you know. Person like me, me na that kind of mama, I don't know whether na so na be. I dey talk and say maybe sometimes I go dey come dey talk and whether na me be like that or no be me, I no can know. I be that kind of mama. If my pikin come out for outside gate, say maybe he want go out. Once I hear ambulance just dey make when I go run come out, I go call am for phone. I don't know whether na me be whether na me na it can be say more than no vessel. I go call out say no vessel. Because ambulance just pass. My children, they even they laugh me say they'll say, if ambulance pass, okay, I'll say no, because my mind not reach ground. Then you go leave your pikin, small baby, where not even they talk. Leave her for another person. Not the person where be say now your blood, even your blood self. You not go even you get the way you go there, they do you. You go say hold on like this, not let her follow. No, say every mama not be the same. So more than they are free. The people give their pikin of 3 years bicycle, go say may they go school. He go send her, say may he go school, may he go by himself. Why some mother? He go escort you reach gate till you go enter inside class before you go house. Every mother not be the same. Okay, my people. So the thing can really shock me, say, 9 months old baby. Korra liver. I need to share this video, my people. Share to support me. Like this video to support also. I was like, which kind, good afternoon, which kind person be this one? I know say you dey happy to go Nigeria, but the one way dey important pass. Now that's your children. Okay? Now the important pass person where you want go see for Nigeria. Now your family still dey back home. But your real family, your real one. Now those 2 children. Even though say your ex not there again, but now those 2 children, that be your real family, where love you past another thing. So now I can't dey watch. I can't see say go Nigeria. I can't go watch the video. We go Nigeria with the bag. Many people talk about the bag. My people, that bag. Korra for just carried paper bag. We go just know say na paper bag. Now you carry go. The truth, good me with the talker sometimes. Once you be somebody where be say small celebrity now you be for social media, you get the way where you take they do. For it. You get the way where you take they do. Talk less of person where be say the money there with them. Una know they watch one thing. Korra is like, you know, so when they say money miss road. Be like say na she be more than no vessel. Now some they talk my own. Now some they talk my own. Money miss road because you get money. If you not let you use and take buy something for your body. This money where they carry and they go. You want carry and go another life. You know if you use that for your body, more than no vest. That luggage, maybe they talk truth. That luggage is very bad for Korra to carry go. People where even dey Nigeria, they know they use that. People where they that Nigeria, they know they use that kind of luggage. What did they want use that to do? Where you see some of them where want travel, the kind luggage where they go host for herself. You will even cut them for them, say now they try. Talk less of you where they come from America and the money there with you. You know even see 150 € take buy fine one. Even though say now one small one, they go no say yeah, this one carry. Something like that. So sometimes good if you dey tell people truth, they go don't know where they for made mistake. Good afternoon, Patty Stella, how are you? They go know where they for made mistake. Let me to share the video. They go know where they for made mistake, so that next time they not go do that mistake again. Some of our people they go they clap hand for you just because of say they know for their mind say even they know if you carry that bag. You understand? They know say they not go carry. Say na shame. Now very, you know now, how much be luggage? Even though say the money not even there with you where you want to just pay everything. Now you want buy even though say na 500 euro or dollars. You feel they pay us small. Assuming me we talk like that. You feel they pay us small. Or you go buy one small one. When they go see and they'll know say wow. Even the way Korra even dress go Nigeria. So I was like, oh my God. The thing even surprised me. It's like he put cellophane for inside body. More than no verse. Even like say that cellophane with that bra where be say they wear. I was even the shoe where sister where you carry go sister. You know say sister. Even the shame when we they touch through now. Even our own sister they shame for Korra. Because I dey hear say his sister he don't go carry and put for another place. People will. See me or not be smart you. People will be say that they come from Nigeria now. The kind of they don't go they even the shame when we talk through. You go give them that kind of they may take travel. You go say no. Which kind of luggage be this one? Where be like say something where they don't use. They be like say you know the way we Korra they do something. That kind again not be that kind of people where person where go they throw away something where or they go say never deliver. You go they use and the thing go just bafuka before you go no say you want throw away. It's very bad. If you see something where not good, tell them. Even me self, I do something where not good. Correct me so that next time I go no say okay, this one not there okay. As sister carry shoe go throw away. Say this one. Even if you see the face where Korra do for the shoe, where sister Korra counter say I like the shoe. The sister they shame. For it. The sister even they shame. For Korra sister Nancy to carry. I will play Nancy this thing for now just now. For Korra, for Nancy to say my sister not even stay in place, you know say shame don't date them. You go come look and say, your husband dead there. This guy na so naked, they naked. My 2 children their house. I want to do now no men now. Now no as men they be. You think say Nancy okay? Why Nancy not they do like that? She they cover herself. You know if he keep her sister. You know if he keep her, it's just that maybe Korra not know say this Nancy just the even the way when Nancy say they even they call her that girl. That girl. I go play her for now. That girl. I was like, at least your sister come from abroad. Okay, we know say pass all this divorce, everything, this one. You know if you even stay with your sister for 10 days. May they even know say, okay, you try. 10 days it's okay. You know even if you stay with her, you go drop her from one corner. May you go that side though, not gonna destroy my family. Now that one me, now you no. You sure say get pants at all. No, maybe Korra not the wear pants. If you still they wear, maybe only one go just the wear and they go thing where that pants go tear. Not be a fault. Something is wrong somewhere. People where they do this kind of thing like this. Something is wrong somewhere. Their family understand. Nancy know the kind of sister we get. Now they cannot keep her for house because you know what make children when they see her sister Bombi all the time. You know now. Maybe if you not wear pants, then go just sit down, open everything. Because the grant. Your husband go see her from one corner. You know. So she quickly can't they go one corner, can't go that side. I know if he keep you for a year. You know if he keep her. So as I come dey watch Nancy video, I go still play am for more than listening. The thing they shock me for inside brain because when I see say in with Korra with Justy don divorce, I was like, why so quick? Inside my brain, I dey ask myself because normally some people they not dey quit the divorce, then go wait maybe the something go come back again. She know they watch her pants. You go be say maybe the fit come back again. You know say they happen something like that. So the thing was like, maybe they just decide to do one. So now this one where Nancy can't tell us, I go play for now. Now he make Korra go say he want put for divorce because he want go invest for Nigeria. Hey, he want go buy property so that now her name now he go deal. I dey watch some videos. Some people say if for invest for where he dey, if for not go invest for Nigeria. Me, I dey talk and go continue to dey talk am. Korra no get that as I say talker. He no even get interest to say America. Korra get mission. Okay? She get mission. Not be only because of Korra. Most people they get all this mission. Well, I feel talk and say most people will be say then they marry to white people. They get the way they go arrange Jan, I go do one like this, then later I can't do like this, I can't do one like this. Okay? So I need to share the video, my people. She get mission. Because for you just to run, go divorce, meaning because of that money where be say if they enter. Hi now, wow. See now, Korra, you see now, your sister no even want you, may you stay for how many days for a house. He carry you here, go stay another place because here no go contain all of us. Man, they here where they responsible. My children, no one made they come they sing yama thing. Let me can go dump her sister from one corner. You know, say this sometimes if you talk the truth. They go say, why you talking like that? Whereas now the truth, how can your sister just come back from America? You know if you stay with her. My people, if you go Nigeria, your family, they don't even stay with you for 7 days. I beg go. You will not say that family, you are not welcome. Now the truth of the matter, because you will be say you not there. Now the way they house, now you understand the system as everything be security not there okay. They need to tell you everything. Say, try me you they enter house by this time or because Christmas period you get as it be, you know, something like that. Nobody. I even see where she even though say they follow Balegbe they waka, they not be your own blood. My own is that she should stop money. You understand? Because your family need to tell you. Even on Balegbe when you go they follow the waka said they feel even organize with the year many things they happen. They go on organize say this one something there with our or yeah may we kidnap her or may we do this one, may we do that one. With the year many things. I was like, oh my God, why like this now? The thing shocked me. I believe say it still shock many people when still watch the video. You just call, never reach how many days. Only you want done they waka up and down. They go this side, they go this side. Nigeria where it be say if you be at least she even they come out for social media. People don't already know and they don't see wait till her sister bring come out because her sister make us know all this money where they receive this one, that one. We see everything when you want try to prove he want can show wait till Dr. Justice sent can't give her. Now they bring everything come out. Nigeria where be say now where we just there now Christmas period, all their eye open for grant, he go reach back. You just leave his sister, may just they go they carry your Wahala, they go and not that problem. May I play her sister this thing? So now I can say, if you invest for this, okay, you want to go invest for Nigeria, good and fine, which is good, not be waiting bad. But that will not make you to leave your pikin waiting. Or maybe you want to go, your music don't come out, you want to go shoot and come out for Nigeria. Why you not wait? At least give that child 1 year. For me, it's okay, 1 year, maybe it don't stop though they breastfeed down. Because when you leave pikin, say they take breast again, it dey nervous. You go come do one kind, because of say they take that breast, that moment we're supposed to take that breast, if you not give her, you go dey nervous, you know. Now the mother supposed to dey there to understand. You go try to they give her different things. Thank God say this ex-husband na real man wey understand. Wanna see the way we take care of the child now. Wanna see the way we take they do them. They do them wella. Wahala for everywhere. May I play Nancy because I was like, now because of that one, this girl, now make her go divorce. Say, okay, I want to go Nigeria, I want to go invest. If you invest for where you did, if you not still invest for where you did, but it not make you to pay because you want to go divorce. And this Korra, you need to stay be very careful, Korra, because you know. Sometimes something go happen. Person where you get you say it go stand for you for there. No go there for you. No go there. No we listening to our sister.
When it comes to businesses, when it comes to relationships, when it comes to skills, and then we just boil it down to it's probably fake. That's not true. And that's a very bad psyche to have. That's a bad mindset to have. Okay? So someone like Korra now, she's a free spirit. A lot of people could actually learn from that. A lot of things have happened to her recently, and she's just coping. She's living her life. That's actually what's emulating, if you ask me. But a lot of people are trying to make it look like, oh, she must be sad on the inside. It's not possible for someone to be this happy without man, without husband.
Because she's happy, now what she needs, okay? Now wetin she need, I should not go there happy. If really not be wetin you need, you go there sad. Now normal thing. Because Korra need that divorce past the ex-husband. Because now she even ask, okay, now the man can't talk and say they want divorce. Just because of say he want people to talk to her. Because he knows say Korra not get family. He family na social media. So maybe some people go feel still help, talk to her and say, this kind of thing not good though. Husband not there like that oh. Go and meet your husband. Use hand, take rubber. You go understand the man go. You know now the way we met they do. Men if you just talk something just now. Not be say you just really mean now. But you as a woman where you know the way you supposed to touch for the man body, he go relax. He go say he go change mind just now. You go say no be you say you want go divorce. You go say if I not call divorce, what it can be your? I love my wife. You know understand all that kind of thing. Because of say Korra don dey talk to his sister. Now his sister go tell her, go say, man, you just kukuma do like this. I so much believe say her sister dey inside well. Because of waiting even come out for him mouth. How Korra not go dey happy say leave the man? Because he go come there on her own. Nobody go dey control her. Nobody go dey tell her what she want do. She go free. She can't forget, say, this life, a woman without no husband, you are just a one and no vessel for those one where be say, not be those one where never marry, or those one where use their hand, take away their husband, and they talk about, or you not get any respect for anybody. You not get, because they look you one kind. I know they talk about those one where never marry. Some of our women, they use their hand, take away their husband. Because of small money where be say don't they enter their hand, the thing go they shock them. They don't need any man to tell them waiting they want do, waiting like waiting Korra talk say no man go fit tell them waiting in one weird. That is you never ready for life. When I remember where he post am, he say no man go fit tell you where, because if your man not fit tell you your body now he pay for now he marry you now let one supposed to they sit there. If he not fit tell you, who go can't tell you? Meaning, when you talk like that, it meaning you never ready for life. You never even need to do anything for your life. You know what submit for any man. So she should die in the marriage. You see you where they talk now, so she should die in marriage. The man they beat her for his side. The answer is no. You don't see people where they beat, where they do everything. It's just because of selfishness. Now Korra go divorce. Tell the truth, make them be ashamed. When are they talking the way be? That man look like man where they beat woman. He don't look like who they beat woman. So sometimes because of that una the way one take they do, if man they beat you, that one another different thing. If they maltreat you, that one another different thing. But when it comes to you no want support man because of your selfishness, meaning you never ready for life. Any woman will not they support her husband. You all know say that marriage, one day go just break. As far as say you see they get, see they put on, let me can they call husband and wife. The woman go put, the man go put. Now they make them they strong. But when it comes to no, now me go get this one. How you say man the man still do? The man go still come, now he go still get yo. The one where you see they work, he go still they come in pocket. It's not like that. You don't know when you want married, they'll say, that is ne ben and man, good or bad. Now you take the marriage, you say yes, you accept. When you say you accept, when it come to maybe the woman can't get more past the man. Everything go can't change. Why it be like that? We women, we supposed to stop that nonsense. We supposed to stop her. All these things where we be say we they do because of say you get more money past the man not can't get level, not even get voice. It's bad. It's bad. Man is the head of the family. But when it comes to some women where be say small money can't get their hand, they want me they can't be the head of the family. It's not done that way.
That was bad. No. You're faking it. No, not everybody's faking anything. But the ones that are on my page, every time I post myself and my husband going at this fake couple, I'm sure they're fighting. No, sometimes people are actually doing good things that you can actually emulate. You can actually ask questions and see how you can improve on yourself instead of assuming you're boiling everything down, to it's fake. It's probably fake. Mom, please notice me. Okay, you are noticed. Beauty, Etim, you are noticed. Always go and ask, like, okay, so how are you doing this?
Now, wow.
Rubbish. They don't know what they are saying because if you are said you're her bank, your account officer at Bank of America or whichever bank is she using, you can't come and say she's making this one, so she should not be doing this, she should not be doing this, or she should use all her money to buy luggage or use all her money to do this. No, she will do what she wants to do. But I'm talking to that person that said, but how is she?
That one na true say she go do wetin she like, but then they talk and say now your friend go tell you say your teeth dey smell, your mouth dey smell. You understand? You as a sister, Nancy, the time when you dey come from Nigeria, you carry that kind luggage. Make we dey talk truth. You will be say they come from Africa. Sometimes I know say not be say your joy outside, say, but sometimes you don't even need to talk about these things. As people we see and say that luggage not there okay. You for not even go there, go there. Give excuse if I not be say not get the money, you know what made they spend the money for that. What you want to spend the money for? If you not spend the money for yourself, say you want to go out, may you buy something where people say he love them. Why you go they buy out waiting they don't throw away, they carry the waka. That's it. Sometimes tell the truth, or you not even kukuma talk. You leave her for people where be say then we see and say it's not good for I. Even when you go, you were then people where then Nigeria where be say they want travel, they not go use that kind of luggage come. That's the way they for America. It get not be say not get the money. We for say okay, maybe not get. Even though like that luggage where she carry, people not even now inside dustbin. even like luggage where Korra go see for inside dustbin, kukuma carry say this one go good. Sometimes even though say you love somebody, still tell them. Like say nothing not even can talk about life, still good.
No, she's not earning as she used to. And yes, if you're a content creator, you can estimate how much you can get per view, and that's her main source of income. You know that the views are not as fantastic as they were, and the figures people are trying to how will I put it, extrapolate the period is not even the same as now. That was when the divorce was hot, and that's why the whole problem with she's making so much cash. No, but not anymore. And even if she was, I mean, priorities. A lot of you watching now, you don't have insurance for your properties. You don't have insurance for your children, no life insurance for yourself. No properties, no buildings. No. not here or abroad.
I just pity for those people where they say they wash it, they just they insult una for them because na insult una. If they pour the insult una, say most of una when they wash una, una not get this one, or not get that one. Hey, yeah. Anyway, now people where they for Africa now they watch. Those people where they for Africa now you go tell now say they not get this one, they not get the other one. But people where they abroad, you at least you don't still come abroad, you know as they be. Not be we where they for abroad they talk to people where they say they not get insurance, which is true. People where they Nigeria they not get all these things. They not get them. Hey, now wow. Even get them for that Nigeria.
Nothing for yourself, but you just want to control how people spend their money. What if what you spend money on is different from what other people spend money on? You see why you should be learning from her. She doesn't care about. You know, today she went to look for pure water. She went to look for that. You know, in Nigeria there's this sachet water. She went to look for it. She went everywhere to look for it. So she could put it in a video that she was drinking sachet water. Sachet water is like the water that comes in a plastic bag that is sealed. You know, so she went to look for it. She was like, oh, let me show my Nigerian people that it's okay to drink sachet water, even if you're a celebrity. It's okay to use a bag that you've probably had for a long time. You don't feel like buying anything more. You just want to use it. Nobody should tell anybody.
Nah, like that one with the call and tick here, person where be say, money no go fall, go hold that Korra, where they carry the money go? Spend that for yourself. Spend that for yourself. You don't know where. You don't know the day where go break tomorrow. Spend that for yourself. All this say no, this one no one use. No, this one is too much. No, I do not want to use this one. I do not want to buy this one. Wait till that one me. Wait till you will come for abroad. They drink pure water. Where be say everything. You know, see all this water where they drink for Nigeria, especially where you come from abroad. You they select water where you they drink. Some people from here now that they carry water, they go Nigeria where they drink. Because your system not can be the same thing with those people where they Nigeria. Those one where they Nigeria, any water where they see they fit drink. Problem not there. But you where be say you come from this side, you go be careful of what you even they buy they eat. Sometimes if you not take time when your stomach go turn you, you go even they suspect say I been at the food where my sister give me or my brother give me na concern. No. Now because of say you not careful of what you they put for inside your mouth. Like do then look for pure water. For where they look for pure water? Pure water for everywhere now. Pure water there everywhere. That one a story. She don't want to take and they turn her upside down. She don't want to do all that and go they find pure water.
How to spend their money. For us, so if you're related to me, let me tell you, that's why I keep telling her, if you don't have real estate in your name, you don't have insurance for your children, no health, no education fund. You know, you don't have to have a huge trust fund or anything, but like education fund so that they can go to college easily. Those kind of things. That's what your Faith is doing. She doesn't have to spend money on material things or Gucci or Prada just so that you guys can say, oh yes, that's the real big Korra. No.
Hey, can you imagine? So if person want come get real estate now, you no go eat before you go. Hey, what time the person come before the estate come finish? Hey Jesus, now wow. So now this one you they put for your head. They keep money. Korra don't buy anything. Korra don't do this one. Korra don't. Now see they tell her. And the poor guy now even they listen to her. We'll never see some people where be say want gather money, say want to do something. Go say no, I know they touch her, I know they do this one, I want build that, I want do this one. Before you go even finish the house, if something can happen to your enemy, because of say you want to do something, fear not go let you put food for your mouth. That one not be greediness. That one not be. I don't know as I talking. Even for your body self. Hey, Wahala. This nonsense self.
Alright, no, big Korra is big Korra that owns a house. Big Korra is a big Korra that owns properties, home and abroad. That's what big Korra is about. Is anybody doing?
That one not be that because he say home and abroad. You just use and talk and say abroad because we know say na rent na Korra dey for that one. That one good and fine. Now Korra want buy something. You see, Nancy tell her say, my sister, just go divorce, no wait to, so that you go come get something for your name for Nigeria. So that man, you know, say the ex-husband they go Nigeria also. I don't know. Where it throw, why it throw the boots? You dey mind now. You see, say she dey talk. The thing say people not dey listen, people not dey watch am. E just want me just dey talk all these things so that people go say even the boot wey sister carry come, she even dey shame. Talkers of say the luggage, you can't they want to the twist am for people. Who people you want come twist am for? Now those people where they will be say maybe they no want see something. Then you dey twist am for. He carry shoe where be say her sister say he love. Now she say that shoe, that boot, he dey wear now all the time with the same for you. He carry I go throw one for you not even let him, you not even want make the boots there for his house. So. He throw one for one corner for that side say this one not fit dey inside my house because she dey shame. But she know they tell her sister say no they do all these things. It's not good. I bet still take for the money. Waiting. Change everything where be say waiting now. This one not good, this one not good. Tell her the truth. You go no because now she they tell her say not spend any money. Oh. You know, say you want build house, you want do this one. Let's see it. You understand? Now she they tell her, and Korra now, that one, you go say na my business. Some people be like that because also say Korra love her, but this Nancy forget about it too. Now now you tell no say Nancy, if you I don't know. I know if you say you don't love your sister, but you don't want anything to do with her. Hello.
Hello, my sister. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you guys doing over there?
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Sorry, I understand your message. You know, I don't know. Everybody have their own opinion. Yeah.
Yes.
You are just saying it the way you feel.
Yes.
The way you think is the best. For me, now my own opinion, not very
No problem. Everybody
we women, we should be trying our best to encourage ourselves. Like Korra now, we dey watch her.
Yeah.
We dey watch her because me, I dey on gospel side. Korra they do her own thing, so we are not the same faith. But I won't lie, I do watch her.
Yeah.
I like her as a person, but I'm not here to judge because I'm not God. You understand? I love her so much. But waiting her sister they talk in a way makes sense.
Okay.
It makes sense in the sense that if Korra no one put cloth for her body, that one her own choice.
Yes.
But as a woman, they stand for everything.
Yes.
Before, if you look at now, this generation where would they? Some men that they go now some women now don't they build house. They don't they do what men they do because then to the hustle like men.
Yes.
So we as a woman, we should all these material things actually we should cut down and plan. Woman when go school, like you can see that girl, you can see that she went to school, whether she went to school, but she's at least if you watch her, all those things, what they try to say, may we cut down to from all these makeup things, there's time for everything. Like Korra now, she gets targets. But I don't expect her sister may she just come out, let us know what her plan be. Also later.
Yes.
You understand? Because now a lot of people they follow Korra because they pity her because some people they look at her like say she's a poor person. You understand? But you they let us they know say he wants to harm her. Say we go they feel say she don't they use us in a way, but she's not using us in a way. Now we feel like because we are showing her love. But what I'm trying to say is that we women we should all these material things may we cut them. Nothing is right because maybe she feels say we dey tease her sister. You understand? We dey tease her sister. So she get plan. But I don't want me she tell us say she get plan. Every woman get plan. You understand? Except you don't work out your own plan. You understand? So what are they trying to talk say Nancy is right in the sense that it's good for a woman to plan for herself.
Okay.
Because if you do not plan for yourself, whether it's your husband house or your husband pursue you, you get place to put your head. Not be your man or your papa when born you and then you go.
I
If you come
understand.
better go village people, then you go join village people. But if you get something for yourself and save as well for your old age, maybe do business, it's okay. You see, Korra, this thing what she they do, she just they do am for a little while. She can't do it to when she's 99 years. You understand? She's just laying foundation. You understand? So her sister is trying her best. I mean, Korra is trying her best to build up something. And I believe when she achieves everything, she's going to top. You understand? So if any woman, my encouragement with my advice to every woman should try and cut some things and focus on your life. Like plan ahead.
Yeah.
Clothes go come later when you finish all your plan. As long as you are healthy, you are eating food, you know, you are okay, your children are okay, everybody around you is fine, then it's okay. It's okay. Clothes will come. Clothes they clothes not they finish for market.
Okay.
Yes, clothes not they finish for market. So my advice be say well, me, I be woman. And I know say waiting I don't achieve today, so men never do. I'm talking to my fellow women. So when I see somebody's doing well, I appreciate them. And I encourage some women to cut eye from guys. Like they won't help you. What they won't give you. You understand? Focus on find something. As long as you're not liquid though, you not put your bride, at least do something reasonable. Plan for yourself. Keep it one side, like, you know, don't tell the whole world we are doing because we don't know who is there watching. You understand? I know say she's trying to make her sister proud, but whatever Korra is doing and Nancy is doing between them, they should keep it to themselves. You understand? If Nancy tell Korra not to come out from the marriage, now wait, I not did there because I don't know, I don't feel judged. You understand? But I doubt because Korra should be, you know, she has grown up to know what she wants. But if really she said that to her, because I'm not there, then that's wrong of Korra. You understand? But no woman go want. You never reach where you born. The man don't they pull out. You understand? No matter what she do, not beside they encourage them. Everybody get their own bad side. I know they support Justin, I know they support the wife. You understand? Me, I don't like a breakup, no, you know, good like that. But it's still done. Before you tell your sister say when you pull out. Now wait till you two still go check. Because if anything happened to you, now their sister go bath your dead body. You understand? So Korra they alive. If we dey advise them, we would advise her some more because after all, everybody dey naked to go bath. Mortuary, people when they wear the highest clothes, if you go mortuary, they still dey naked. But since we dey alive, may we still respect our body. You understand? So I'm not here to judge people when they do waiting they feel is the best way for them. Is the right thing to do.
What do you think about when her sister not leave her, may stay with her for the same house? What do you think about that?
Yeah, well, I not too think much because according to Korra, I bet I say she won't do some videos. Korra gets so much things to do. You know, Korra don't they stay one place. You understand? So if she get place where she go feel concentrate because now adult, it's okay. I don't know from Nigeria whether children see they go school. And Korra go want her sister attention. I'm not sure say Nancy go give that Korra attention, all the attention where she needed. Then that way she can concentrate. As long all of them can talk on phone, she can also visit. You understand? Any of them can visit each other. You know me say Korra no go live wherever she is. Go because you don't know why she's there. She only thought that she they come there, don't know her country. You understand? But if she get her own personal thing, then her sister don't need to be there. Like if I want to visit Korra now, I don't go feel free because I know say na Nancy house. You understand? Maybe we get business, we get show, we get something business to talk about. There's so many things. You understand? But not be say she they banned her not to stay in her house. There's still time when if she wants to go to her sister's house, she have right to go to her sister. But if she gets something important she has to do, like if she won't go Ghana now, go shoot, Now I'm not sure nothing no go there because she too get something to do. You understand? So I don't feel judge until you reach that stage where we go say, oh, Nancy not do well, your sister come, you know, we come your house. And I never reach that stage because everybody get waiting, make and pay for flight come.
Yeah.
There must be a reason.
Thank you. You mean, but sorry to ask.
I be Agbo. I be Agbo.
You know what I want to ask? I dey get this because you'll be like say you from Igbo. I say may I ask you?
No,
you get one thing where I want to ask, whether not true or whether not lie. I get person that they don't say now. And they say many Igbo women they come abroad, they know they build house, then they invest money. Not truth.
For abroad where I dish, I not too mingle with, especially women, men apart for work and school. You understand? So I'm not too deep into people's life, how then they live their life. Because here, now mind your business. It's only when you tell your people your thing, what do they do? Some people say they don't go tell you. You understand? And so,
no, you know why, my sister, why I ask you? Because this one because I said I just see you, I said okay, me and you ask you because it be like say you be that from that side. Because one lady called they talk about say we be near, we they like to they say we want go build house, one go build house. That is the women. He said now something like abomination for Igbo land. Woman on they build house.
Some part is abomination to them. You understand? I think so. Some part.
All right.
You know, I believe that is olden days. I don't know of now. So if your husband not build a house and you get the money, why can't you do it? You can do it. You understand? You know, and bring people in. Instead of taking that money to smoke, go club, use that do makeup where you know say you get the money. Do something. Open business. Open business. You know, buy land. Build block. If you don't want to stay the house, the thing go long. Like you know, you market time, put shop. The thing go fresh with something. You understand?
Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I respect your opinion. Everybody get their opinion.
Yes. I beg. Not very so because you know, say the way I don't know where because me and UK I did. Well, now you can from the come now because I just go like say well this person now let me just try and talk to this person because she now woman too. May we encourage ourselves. You understand? If my marriage is sweet, my sister or whoever no fit tell me say make I leave my man except I complain to her say me I not like him.
Is it big? You know one thing, my sister, this Korra and Justin. For me, I will see the talk and say it was for business. Okay? For me. Nowhere husband and wife not they get misunderstanding. It's like Korra on know what she they do. You understand? Many women they do it like that. Say when one married this Oyibo, okay, I feel born one or two for her. Nobody say I just like her like that, just to hold my ground. Many the programmer.
My sister, now wait till you think.
Not the bitter, not the bitter.
You see, man not go beat you, but emotionally don't beat you finish. Nothing remain. Because Oyibo, whether Oyibo na black, any man when they beat woman here na crime. Now Nigeria, if they do anyhow, nobody go ask you. You understand? But here na crime. If person feel this will not be business, they really married genuinely. Person born one, born two for the man when in love. Some business when they do. Even if so that they won't do business, maybe like with that the show where Korra they do at times you go see the way she go fling around, you know, you go see and say, you don't say when she start the learn them. You not just learn them today. You understand? You not learn them today. So
no business of you know what I mean, that is programmer. I go do like why Korra ask for divorce, say he want just divorce, he not just give me okay, may if he give her, you understand? Say that divorce was too quick. And her sister talk and say, after us, now the money na cost quarrel, so make she kukuma can invest the money for Nigeria.
If his sister tell her like that, no, she not do bad. You know why?
No.
That the best sister ever. if
Okay.
she really said that to Korra.
Okay.
Because abroad not be your home. Now your second home.
Okay.
Waiting make us go leave our country, come here. We
What about the children? Because
can't
Korra
do
get children for that
eh?
side. Korra first child now for now America then they. You think say they'll go Nigeria?
My sister, you can't predict. If God said that children and Nigerian men they go marry, they go marry. You know many Nigerian women were born for America. If
Is
now
that I
then they
know.
go meet the way that they talk. If like because children will be citizens when black born for America, there plenty. If one of them go take harm and he go still bring the girl back home, he go bring. As long as that they, it doesn't matter where Korra born, where in Nigeria. As long as you are a citizen, even though say she born for Nigeria, the child still have that money. You understand?
Yes.
Still have that brain. So it depends on the child. Like now, we know if we detect on the child who ain't go marry. Likewise with Korra. You understand? But what they try to be say, Korra na person wey like internet. Any small thing.
Yes.
You know why she did do am? Because the more she put, the more she they give you, the more that they pay am. You understand?
Meaning she's very interested about the money. You know, I understand you, my sister. That make can talk and that make me the talk say now money like cause quarrel between him with this man. Why Korra? Because any man where Korra want go meet tomorrow now, the same thing I go still happen. You understand?
You go surprise. You know they support. I mean, I hear you.
No.
I
I
understand.
don't support and now your opinion. You
Yeah,
understand? You are right.
Money issue they based on what the two of them they talk. You
Yes.
understand? It dey. But that one because the Oyibo won't put eye. When put eye for the Korra body, maybe I don't know the man intention, but Korra now wise Nigeria girl. You know we Nigerians women we know when man love us or when man is intention. They go they pretend say they love, except you are really a fool. Likewise, the men too. You understand? They know men like know when woman they pretend.
Yeah.
You understand? So if Korra they give, and if Korra they give the guy money, and the guy too they give, and maybe the guy not to show him that is love where she wants, then there must be a problem.
Okay.
Because the guy won't manage, I say manage, how do you say it now? The guy won't not even control. Yeah, it won't be manager. It won't be manager. It won't be manage. No, not money. It won't manage manager. Where a manager to Korra, I don't know what.
Yeah.
Maybe Korra don't want that control. And if she be say she feel say everything when she go to work go the man hand. Never can tell. See, now husband. Not me say you go to move. You need to wisen up. As your husband want they use you. But you need to wisen up. You know, if you know say your husband won't use you, you go know whether your husband they do. If your husband come out clearly like 50-50, okay, my heart is clear. Let me be your manager. Yeah, let me be your manager. Then this is how we're going to run our package. Then let it be agreement between two of you, and you'll be seeing the whole thing, you know, going the way you people expected it. You understand? But the said that it's not working that way. It's not working. You can't say because you are married, you want to die in your marriage. Meaning anything your husband said to you is true, and you have to accept it because you are married. Don't be surprised. All your efforts.
My sister, you say you want call online, send request. I hear you. I respect your opinion. Now your opinion, not everybody gets their own the way they say they think. Me, I get my own, you get your own. Because me, I believe say when you be husband and wife, picky don't dey there, you need to do something together. Doing something together not mean say now only your inner go there, it go be both of two of you now. You understand? Money issue, if it not good make cause quarrel between husband and wife. But especially where be say at the top of one say we women we they do something. If we still say we get money small past the man, we they like to command. You understand? So women be like that, okay? Some women be like that, not be all.
Yeah, but any woman when they put eye for woman money, it not good. You understand? a man supposed to be working, why the woman supposed to be working? If you don't like what your wife is doing, then you shouldn't assign it from the first time.
No,
if
the
you
man
know
no,
money is going to be a problem.
Let me say the man not like what they do. I believe say he know already say Korra na like that. He accept him. It's just that misunderstanding, like no say my sister, you know say some people they where money they control, you know. Money they control them. When they see small money, the money go they shack them for body, it go control them to the extent that the kukuma they want, even though say they lost something, they not care. Oh, thank you for this time, my sister. God bless you.
You know, say, I understand what you did talk. Like what did they call an Dr. Dean? When you are, if really you are a doctor or whatever your profession is, focus on your field.
Yeah.
If
God
you
bless
don't,
you.
yes, focus. You don't look. You have to look at woman's money. You understand?
I don't believe, my sister. Wait, I don't believe. Say that man look about the money. Okay, because now the man now he do everything. We go to the marriage, everything. Because your sister even talking. You understand? I just come here and still ask person join her.
Okay. Okay.
You understand? Because if your husband don't look about your money, you want to go look at your brother be your sister. I know no vex so now somebody they talk my own. If your husband yeah not there your money, because we women why our eye they make money. Why be say man not what man not feel man eye not feel that our own.
Man, woman, not the same thing. Hello.
Now me mama to Kuba one of Manchester they talk. More already why he back by me je Korra why he back by me jo. Auntie, sorry to cut you short. Auntie,
okay.
you they talk right, you understand? You know this my sister Untouchable mama be I
know.
lucky way because when we are telling when we koya diane ugly t-shirt. Hey, one thing I want to say is, you know, I've been in this Europe for a decade. You understand? I've seen up and down. I've been married for more than I've been married for 19 years now. I've grew up teenage. You know, they've come now. Even my teenage, they're almost having children. You understand? So one thing I see about Europe is if you've come to Europe, you are an immigrant. You understand me? There's two ways about it. You understand? Okay. You are an immigrant. You're married to a American citizen. You know? Okay. As you're married to an American citizen, when you come into the marriage, you'll be granted 5 years. A resident permit. You understand me? That 5 years never clock for Korra. More than they wait. You understand? See, this whole scenario where everybody did, so you understand, it's going to change. It's going to change. And you know, majority of Nigerians, they don't know how it works over here. You know, that's why I love this Lolo.
Yes.
Because Lolo see it in a very narrow, very broad way. She sees it, she's seeing it like you, Untouchable mama. You've been here for decades, you understand me? You can, what I'm saying, you can testify to it, you understand me? That lady, she only have 5 years resident permit. She doesn't even have a passport. She only have children that are citizen. Citizen, it depends on the country. You understand me? You don't obtain citizenship just because you born a child in that country.
No.
You understand me? Okay, now I don't know about America. I live in UK in Manchester, but I'm from Spain. I'm Spanish lady. You understand me? My children, they are Spanish. Everybody have passport in my household. Okay, let me tell you something. That lady, she came in. She brought a guy. I love the beauty of the way they did the wedding. You know, seeing a white man with an African attire, it's so beautiful. You understand? Okay, now the whole thing came out. You know, white people, they hate stalking. They hate you to stalk them. You understand? My sister can testify because she lives with a white man. You understand me? You know, if you are into a marriage A white man can be a fool to you.
Just
a fool. You know what is a fool?
Not
A
be
white man go come out. You go borrow money, 100,000 or 200,000. You go
go do Mugu follow you.
Yes.
Mugu, man go do
She
follow
go
you.
do Mugu follow you. Just to know if you really love her. You understand me? Okay, that boy. What I call him a boy because he was a student. You understand me? He uses you know what's a student fund? You know, at my age, I'm still going to university. You understand? This is what I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to go when I was in Europe. You know, but back then in Europe, you understand me, you know, because of the country, because of the language barrier, you know, many people didn't key into education. So that because of that, I came to UK to further up my education. You understand me? When you have a student fund, government it's a loan. They loan you.
That's right.
He took that loan. He took it to Nigeria and married that girl up. And brought, you understand me? And they came into UK, into America. You understand? Okay, now he introduced about, okay, let's put on online. Let's have a baby online. We are going to call an audience. You understand? And really, boom, everything blows out.
Yeah.
And you, my sister, you understand? And the money is coming in. You know, now you're not thinking, oh, let me go build a mansion in Africa. No problem. You can sit down and talk about it.
Yeah.
You understand me? Hey, guy, I'm not from here. I've got a lot of family back home. I have family that my father, he need this thing. You understand me? White man will listen to you as far as he loves you.
Yes.
You understand? But my sister never did that. My sister, what did she do? You understand me? She decided, okay, no, I beg, I don't need this kind of nonsense. You understand me? I beg, I think about how I'm going to build my mansion. You understand me? And at the end of the day, she killed us and now she go the whole your money. Because then I say be the content creator. Now the two of them already. Because at the beginning, the time where everybody see them was everybody see them. Justin was there. Now from marriage, now everybody take see them. The two people were already there. You understand me? That money have to. My sister need to consider that man too. You know. Let me like me now.
Thank you for the star. God bless you.
Like me, I know people see me. You feel see me saying a black lady I be. You understand me? But if I go into that's my continent, Africa. You understand me? My blood, if they treat them, they go to say now because I don't too pay for abroad. You understand? You know? You see, the thing is, the narrative about her, it's for me, she's a big celebrity now. She's been talked about all the whole platform. It's a plus on her part, you know. But one thing is, you know, when you're a celebrity, you have to bring out the image of celebrity. You understand? Because people are looking up to you. How can some even maybe 15 years ago, you see that bag there I saw in social media. I don't think 15 years ago I will carry such a bag. You understand? Not talk of this time. You know, when you have 1 million viewers as a Facebook owner, as a YouTuber, you understand me? You are controlling at least from like maybe if it's not too much, I don't know how it works. You understand me? You'll be controlling about like 10,000. You know, plus I remember one day I was watching Lolo. You understand? The guy posted the money he got from Facebook, about 36,000. He said, "What for the past 3 years I've been a doctor? You understand me? I never earned this kind of money. I think I better go interest on it. You know." So it's you know, it's something that, you know, people that are more, we are more educated and we are here for years. You understand me? We now see it that is a two different kind of people. You understand? My sister, see, you see that Korra, she's a beautiful girl. She's gonna make it in life. But the thing is, you understand me, she need to change the narrative for herself. Because when you see these African bloggers, they supported her to grow up to this stage. But at the time that they know that she has been cheating, she has been lying to them, hey, when they will reduce you. Carpet
Not be small.
not go contain you. Alone. Carpet, you not go contain. You understand? Because this is these bloggers that pull this girl up to the sky. You understand? They are attacking bloggers, attacking a lot of people. It's not fair. It's not fair. You know. She need to change things. She need to change it. Yeah, she need to change it. It's not working out.
Yeah.
I think Asita is talking another thing. She's saying another thing. Bloggers are saying another thing. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
The media. See, let me tell you something. Media, now place where be say you see politicians. You understand me? If they want to commit, if yeah, go drink water.
Sorry.
You can, yeah, go on, my sister.
Yeah, you know, say this. I understand what him most the old with him and Madam they talk.
Yeah.
You know this Korra thing. When I started follow Korra, now during her birth and what the man did to her, that's where I started. And based on where, because I didn't start from the beginning. Like waiting mommy now they talk now. Like this how it started. You understand? I didn't start with, but I start from, because that part really, internet really carry on waiting just to do din after Korra put to bed.
Yes.
That kind of pain. You understand?
My sister, you know why? See, excuse me. You know why?
Oh, she don't come out.
Okay, she don't come out. You know why internet carry on like that? You know, here where a woman, when I'm a roge, you understand? If you do, money you do. Why the platform is not blue again?
Mama, PG.
Bloggers.
PG, Mama.
Bloggers are the one that blow this girl up.
Yeah.
Before other people start seeing it.
Yeah.
One, the two main bloggers.
Correct.
Lola is getting more views about it.
Yeah.
People not enter. You understand? These are the two people that blew this thing up. You understand me? Sure. These are our bloggers. You understand? So when people when they start hearing it, other countries start getting interest about it. You understand me? And those bloggers are the one that blew Korra up to where she is now. You understand? See, let me tell you something. We those. We are one kind of people is we don't like. See, if you are telling lies, Edo people, if they talk like talking for hide. The moment Edo person know say you they talk like, you understand me, the hate where they go hurt you. Oh God. You know, you not go even want to make you be like say you exist. Because Edo people they loud. If they talk, they feel from here they talk, they go to hear for London. You understand? Now those kind of people now will be now so God take creators. You understand me? But the thing is, now everybody does say, okay, she signed up to see. May I tell you something? Oyibo, Oyibo now one kind of people. I don't date Oyibo before I go into marriage. Police officer for Amsterdam. You understand? That guy, the thing is, Oyibo is a kind of people is if they don't get more that about you understand me? And they don't like the vibration whether they see around you. You can't they nag, you they shout, you they that, you they this, you they that. Only one word. You know, Oyibo, the first statement when you give Oyibo, you go there for a memory. Oyibo not they forget them.
No.
You know they forget them. Even to say that kid don't come. That first word when you talk, nobody you can't they do. Oyibo don't get benefit to take doubt you.
Yes, because you're not going to trust you again.
He don't go trust you anymore. No matter you go preach yourself rich, Oyibo not go fit trust you again. And when Oyibo not trust you, they need their space. I not blame Justin. When Justin say, you know, we Africans we see and say, how woman go born 3 days? You say divorce.
Anybody
understand?
Don't insult my people here.
Now the African people get that kind pity mind. You understand me? Oyibo now they see, let me tell you something. Oyibo people, you know, they're not they come into our platform. Why? Because you know our pidgin English, they don't feel understand that. If they speak quick English, you know, you go see say many Oyibo will not join our platform. You understand me? They're not see her say they're not they see Korra say a big shot. If they see say Korra a big shot, you understand me? Oyibo bloggers go for don't enter this matter.
Yes.
And when you go sit down, you yourself when they wait 2 of us they talk, so you can't sit down, or you can't hear our African the way it's think. You can't hear you both think.
You go very different.
You yourself go see the reality. When Lolo they talk, what is she they talk? Me, before I even hear what is she talk, when I they watch the thing they come.
Yeah.
I don't already see, I don't see the reality. All of the way that they fight now, all the people where they support Korra, where they fight each other, where they insult her now. Now waiting all of talk for the beginning.
Now they happen
so. You understand?
Yeah.
Why? Because we don't live here. We live here. Me, I live here from my childhood age.
Yeah.
You understand me? Childhood age, when I there for the 20s, I there abroad already.
Okay.
I'm in my 40s now.
Yeah.
You understand? That's 20 years of my life over here. And you're going to tell me that a girl that is earning 10,000 brocks, he cannot buy what do they call one suitcase? You know? That is nonsense. It's not. Yesterday I watched that girl. You know, the day I stopped, I have her when a notification card is here. She they put up her daughter, the first daughter, she they wear her school uniform for her. See, she they wear stockings for this girl leg. The uniform where that pikin wear was so squeezed that, oh God Almighty. These are the things where teachers that they put,
that they see,
that they look for our body.
Then they watch.
You understand me? Enough only to iron it overnight before they break. And then you only to.
Mama, what of the way they put the stockings? They put the baby stockings for the senior one.
It already the down. You go see say when you wash them, the thing not clean well.
Yeah.
You understand? My sister, nobody hates Korra.
No.
Korra is my sister.
Yeah.
The thing is, people are trying to tell her, the people who don't live abroad, they try to give her, say, this thing, the way how you they run this thing, not be so.
Not be
you
so.
understand me? Okay, try. Do like a broad babe, join them. You understand me? You know they say our celebrity for Nigeria.
They see them now.
They come abroad. Any other that they come abroad. What did they call now? Destiny. All of them they come abroad. You understand me?
Yeah.
What did they call Rita Dominic? She married over here in London. You know? These are people when they want to have children, they born children for here, they train their children for abroad.
Yeah.
You understand me? You emulate when God don't put that, you don't already get the fame.
Yeah.
You go emulate other people.
Yeah.
I understand, say Korra she want break record. I understand that. I can see, you know, Igbo, you know. I think the girl she's Igbo. I don't know. I don't know.
It's from Igbo.
Okay. You know, Igbo have a very wide mindset. You understand? You know, I think she wants to break a record. You understand me? But breaking a record, put some good clothes in your skin now. You understand me? You know, put some nice things where we say, yeah, your followers, young ones, where they look up to you, understand me? They will say, oh, this babe, nah, chick, you understand me?
Yeah.
You know, now good with one, I should get for head, you know, all those kind of stuff, you know. These are the things that it flicks people in the media these days, you understand? But if you want to be natural, I can talk of a woman that I see very natural from head to toe, from Edo cyberspace. You see, you're a woman that plays one thread You know,
Yeah,
those
true.
days, you understand me? Those are natural people.
Yeah.
But when you see her skin, you understand me? She
Yeah.
still emulates, she still put some gold in her skin, you understand? To tell you that she's classic. You know, naturally, you put yourself natural with a
Yeah.
classic way. It's
You
two
are right.
ways. The thing runs together. When you want to
Mm.
showcase yourself on media, you know, not be say you go carry that with a suffer. Hey, my sister.
Yeah.
You wait sit down for them, my sister wait there for London. You understand me?
Mm.
Me and you, we know say so Korra not dey suffer now. We know now.
Yeah.
We know now.
Korra is not suffering, but she has
You
not been
know,
there
we
yet.
know.
Because if you look
Mm.
Korra very well, she's
Yeah.
not there yet. She doesn't. I don't know if she have dining on US there.
Mhm.
You understand?
So eat.
Because
No,
if you see the
Thank
so
you.
that's what I'm
don't lie.
saying.
You know
So
what?
so
These are normal things, small things when we
so
say from the media, like as you talk, so
Mm.
maybe they come across that.
Yeah.
You go there inside our mind. You
yeah.
say, make us go buy
Good
diary.
morning.
You
Good
understand me? You know,
morning. Welcome
everybody
to the
now
stream.
teacher.
Good
Because
afternoon.
plenty way be say you carry yourself, you can't put for front of classroom.
Mm.
Plus teacher, plus the students, all of us now your
Mm.
teacher. Now we go tell you say, your clothes where you wear it's here. Now we
Yeah.
go tell you say, this way you do where you do not good. Oh, you understand me? Now so it be, you know. But
Yes.
at the end of the day,
But not
there's a fan base.
mommy.
There's a fan
Mommy.
base that is attacking people like madness.
Mm.
It
Yes.
doesn't work like that now.
Mommy, yes. Yeah, it's good for us to advise Korra. But
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
person where they in position to advise her that she will listen, not you and I. I think it's going to be her sister, her own family.
We know.
But we
Mm.
can
We
only
know. We
try
are
our
just saying
best.
our own.
Mm.
Yes, we
We
can
know.
only try our best because we have been saying she has not been listening. You understand? So I don't think she will accept. But what I'm saying is that it's not that Korra does not have clothes. She gets. She choose to act the way she wants to act. That is her own personal reason is left to her. You
Well,
understand?
look, see, my sister, see, let me tell you something. I think for me, I feel Korra doesn't have clothes. My
Korra
doctor
no,
that
Korra
she
no
said,
get.
No,
Don't
yeah,
worry,
don't have
girl.
clothes. Wait,
Don't worry, no get.
that's more than Korra clothes.
No one
See,
even spend the
go
money.
look, go and look Korra profile when she there for Nigeria. You understand me? When she there for Nigeria, go and look. She's always on Akara. She uses Ankara. You know, it's a good to project our African clothing. It's good, you understand? And she sews it in a good way. You understand me? I love it. I love the style she brings out. You know, people, you know, everybody gets Korra as a content.
Yeah.
Korra herself, now something where be say you feel pick as a you know what? When she go the dressing, I get one dress what I see with this go party. Hey, my sister, I love it. You understand? The way they designed it, the way they put the dress. All I said she can't hear us say you want to answer to now let that partner not come.
You can't tear her finish. They can't finish.
You know, with these old ones, you understand me? That area we don't go there, you know, we still have the respect over there. But the young ones, I know that they still like it, you know. But the thing is, please, she needs to make our audience, she needs to free people, she needs to make people there lively with her. You know, this one attacking this one attacking this. It's not fair.
Right.
Let me quickly say something before I forget what I have to say. Hello, guys. Hello.
Welcome.
Hello. You're
Okay.
welcome.
Okay. Yeah. What I was going to say is that when Mama, the lady from London, you know, she said that Korra should put on some clothes, you know. You know, this is how Korra has been all this while before she become who she is today. And she's not going to be ready to change that right now. Do you know if you want her to put on clothes, her view will go down?
No.
Yes, it will go down. She's not ready for
no.
that.
Well, what I'm is see, I didn't say that Korra should change her appearance. No. Her appearance, that is what is Korra. You understand me?
Yes.
The clothes she's wearing, those short things she's putting, that is what is Korra. You understand me?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I have an entertainer. You see me, I'm an entertainer. I have an entertaining business over here. You understand me? What is Korra? It's, you see the clothes she's putting on, that is what is Korra. But one thing about Korra that she's bringing to the lineup is, you see the kids, the children, you understand me? People have been debating about it because of the husband, you understand? Okay, now my sister, this is an African lady. We Africans, we are very strong women, you understand me? How can you put up a child that slept with you on Sunday and you're going to put her to school on Monday? You can't even iron at all. That is not fair now. Me and you, we know that. These are no, it's not. No, it's not. No, my sister. See, schools. See, abroad school. Ma tell us something here. Abroad school. One thing where they say, we for UK here, that they get attendance. Attendance means say the days when they say they come school.
Yeah.
From on the 1st to on the 31st, that is your attendance. That one alone can pass you to the next class.
Yeah.
Only say you just attend school. You understand me?
Yeah, we add credit to your
get
score.
another part where this you know your clothes that you wear, your appearance. You understand me? All those things. For like UK where this say would they get social benefits and everything. You understand me? If you know they wear clothes wear for picking, I not lie you, social go knock for your door.
Yeah, then they watch. Then they see everything.
Your teachers, they watch it.
Yeah, mommy
is the face of everything. In America, people don't know her before. Because of Nigeria bloggers, everybody know her.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mommy.
You know?
Yeah, you
now,
see,
so my sister, I'm gonna talk to her. I love her. I love every all of her now.
Yeah.
You guys are wonderful.
Yeah.
Your generations are good.
Yeah, for her to change whatever she's doing now, her performance, whatever she's doing, you know, I don't see her changing now. It said when she grew up, she's tired of it, and she have gotten what she really wanted from this her own content.
Okay.
You know, Korra is not a role model to no one. She has said it before. When some children will come onto our line and say, "Oh my God, Korra, you are my role model. I look up to you." Say, don't go there.
Okay.
I'm not anybody role model. Go and take your auntie or your sister. Let them be your role model. I said, good. You see, she don't deceive them.
I never heard about that.
Huh? You know, she don't deceive them. I said that was good for her to say. So for her, whatever she's doing now, she's wassy. You see, when she was wassy in the front of that girl, her bodyguard, however they call it in Nigeria there, that she was with, the way she was wassing, that one was so surprised, like, oh my God. Korra don't care. When Korra starts her madness, she don't know who's looking at her. She was for that girl, and that one too don't even know what to say. She said, oh my God, this crazy girl, she's real life. Oh, what I've been seeing on video is life, man. She, you know, see when she went to the club. So that's who she is. And another part of it, Mama, the one you said about her documents or something, that she only has a 5 years document in America, right?
She needs that man,
No, she
let
don't
me
need
tell
the
you, when you are divorced, let me tell you something. When you marry to white people,
Mommy,
you understand?
Mommy, no, it doesn't.
Wait, Mama, let she explain.
I don't know American statutes, but European statutes.
I'm talking from America too. I'm talking from America.
Let me explain.
I'm talking from America.
Okay.
She don't need the man.
Okay.
She don't need the man to have a green card, a citizen.
Okay.
Until she get married to the man, she got her 2 years. Let's say they give her 5 years of green card. Instead of her to get her a citizen in 3 years while she was with the man, then it will not become either 10 years or 5 years. Then she can get it without the man. She don't need
she not the work,
because
people say she not the work.
Over here, because
Mommy,
she's gonna declare a tax paying.
Mommy, wait.
She not
Mama,
to declare a tax paying. She have to pay tax.
What tax for?
No,
what? Okay.
what I mean, see, excuse me. You know, she's a content creator, you understand me?
Yeah.
One thing is that she's married now, maybe she's not up to 3 years she's married, you understand? Definitely she must have a 5 years holder. Then after 5 years, you understand me, when you renew, you have a 10 years, you know, as you're married to a citizen. Okay, when you marry, okay, but let me tell you, we Europeans, in Europe, when you want to renew that 5 years, they need an attention of your husband.
Yeah, it's not like that, Mommy. Yeah, it's not like that.
Okay, in America, it's different.
It's different. She don't need the man.
Okay.
To get her citizen. It will only give you a longer years to get it. When you are with your man, you can get it within 3 and 5 years and have your citizen.
Okay.
When you are not with him, you can get it within. It's going to give you more years to get it. That's just the difference.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the difference of it.
Not there for America.
Mommy, Unshakable Mama, you were talking about Korra used this man. Korra did not use the man. Okay. It didn't use him for anything. They found in love. They do what they have to do, and life goes on.
Okay.
You know, every marriage is when you get married, in between 1 year to 5 years, you are going to see a heavy crisis. It might be 2 times. It's going to strike that marriage. It's how you handle it. It's how you handle it that's going to make a difference. It's both of you are weak. Just what this lady is passing through now. What they call it, Umeh, Doshi. Umeh, she's handling it the way she can right now, but the man is in a weak part. But Umeh, Doshi, she's strong. She's praying. She's praying that it can take 2 or 3 years. That man will come to his senses again. If she still wants the man, the marriage can continue. If she don't want him, it will let him go. So in marriage, between 1 year to 5 years, 2 times crisis is going to strike. It's how we go to handle it. We can be separated for 1 year. We will separate. We will think about it again. What happened? What went wrong? If we, oh my God.
Oh.
Mommy.
Maybe not the battery. Yeah.
Mommy.
I greet you, my sister.
Okay, yes. But I say, Mommy, don't go.
Yeah. When I said
Bless her. I wanted to talk about Korra children uniform. She didn't iron it. Normally, we don't have right to talk about children. It's just that it's really unfortunate that it happens. It's one of. It's one of. Because it's not every time you have that strength, you know, to iron. You understand? But what if you force it and you don't feel like? But one thing Korra supposed to do is supposed to like put the kid in okay first. Like make sure that he get the children ready before coming online.
That's true. You're right.
You understand? That's what I expected her to do. You know, but unfortunately, maybe she get 1 or 2 things to run or do. She decided to put it online and do back. No more that things. You know, I know it's not easy. Just to, you know, but unfortunately, people watching, they will definitely see 1 or 2 things there. And which those of them that saw didn't happy, they were not happy what they saw, you know. So we will not use that one judge them because we are all parents, you know.
Let me tell you something. Korra is going to be judged. The judgment now they bring money for our pockets. That's it. Now judgment they bring money for
they carry across social media.
Because if you don't want to be judged, like me now, you see this my face where I come for this place, so you understand me. Maybe if you don't pass 20 people, will be say they don't already send them. My sister don't get more views. You understand? Just because me and Mama Takubo carry face come out for social media. That's it. You understand me? And it's gonna be broad away, you know. But the thing is, like, the fact about it is somebody will really need to talk about it. You understand? No, mature minds need to talk about these things. I feel that our children that is dealing with these things for a long time, you know, and you know, bloggers, their own is to get any content as far as it's in the social media premises, they talk about it.
Yeah.
You understand? But with the audience, now they cause the casala for inside that place. Now they carry their head up and down. You understand me? The way I think, the way she thinks, the way you think, the way the other one thinks.
Your opinion.
You understand?
This one,
our own opinion. You understand? So now it's big question that our own opinion needs to be dealt with.
Yeah.
Now we will be said to the audience. Now I carry that bag, show out.
Yes.
All my bloggers want to see bag record and they carry go Nigeria. You understand? These are the thing. Bloggers not they come up inside their house. So now what the commentary you see for us and I go send go give blogger for inside house.
Don't be nice.
You understand? Where bloggers go carry face come outside, you know. But that is not the fact. The truth is, now she's in Africa. She's going to have a rest. She's going to get her sanity back. You understand me? When she come back abroad, she get to get another face. You know, get more content. Think of more things to spice the viewers. You understand me? And make things that now they look and say, yes, this is our celebrity. Nigeria get away there for Nollywood. Yeah. Not be saying Nigeria get away there for Nollywood. They go carry back waka. Only man now. No fair now. You understand me? Yeah. You see that our princess is what she bought for Igbo for them, you understand me? Yeah. She go carry them. If she Igbo, you know, say this country. You like we na miss of me, or the for them. You go carry jet. You go take plate and go inside. Where you go put all those color. You know, you go see or you go. You put in all those things. Yes.
Sorry to cut you short. We should stop talking about the kids. Let's talk about Korra. You know why? Because our kids. All of them are trying her best. She has even Justin will be man too. Oyibo hair, no easy, not be like we African hair. You understand?
Gel is £1. It's just
she has been doing. Maybe you don't follow her all the time. Me, I don't follow her all the time, but a little one I saw. She do comb, but if she didn't comb, you know, say the children too, that they are ties, that are kids, that's what they are kids, and they are blessed.
My sister, she go on I bought 5 children for a year. As I think, I brother, they say as girl. She go on train all of them. Yeah.
Only you want, not be like.
Let me not be saying a person can't follow me to her. My mama not come follow me to her. My mama come for holiday. In a month and 2 months, they go back house. That is how it is.
Yeah.
Well,
you yourself that you are there. The kids you have, is somebody training, is somebody helping you to do it?
Oh yeah.
I have one kid, boy, but I don't have a girl, but I have a boy. Someone else is not helping me. But when I'm busy, if I'm going to school or work, or I have something important to do, I put them in mind. You understand?
Thank God. That is a good word you just mentioned.
So maybe 4 hours I have to.
Somebody like Korra, you understand me? She's a celebrity. She's got a lot of things to do. She have music. She have dance. She have Broadway. You understand me? She's supposed to sit up and now. Mother, at least if you to pay her maybe $1,000 a month. I do it here. I do it for myself. That is why I was able to grow my empire.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
we that is talking, you understand me? We have grown up here. We kind of came into the system and we kind of take the best out of the system. You understand me? You know, you yourself, you pay mind. You know how much you pay minder now. At least too low, maybe £10 an hour. You understand? You know, too low about it. She too can get it.
Yeah.
Mommy, that's what I'm saying. How are you sure she's not doing it? Because if she's not doing it, where were the children when she's doing all those video shoots?
Which video shoots? She have a mommy now. Don't you see a mommy with her? Let me tell you something. See, one thing you don't
Maybe
get,
she
my
get
sister.
money where she they give maybe for the hours where she wants to stay.
Let me tell you something, my dear.
Okay.
See, if you want to showcase yourself, everybody can sell.
Yes.
Everybody can make
That's
a
right.
hell of money. But if you want to showcase yourself to make a real money, you understand me, eh? My sister, you need to be very prepared about it. That is the truth.
Because
you know.
Korra they do and make people they pity and
What
say
kind of
no get.
pity? African people, see, let me tell you something. African people, this pity, see, everybody's poor. Everybody, nobody get the real money now. That's the way it gets. See, I'm a Baba Lowo self, Davido. As Adeleke get money rich. Davido enters through they sing music. They find money for himself. If Papa get aeroplane where they fly for a private one. But he enters street, they sing, make your money. You understand? These are things you need to watch out and see that, hey, not true, you know. This is our truth in life, you know. My sister, I pray that make these videos make it go richer. Make she say
No, we are
see.
not hearing it. We are not hearing
People, okay. Make she still see her. Make she see say people still love her. People want her to try to change a little bit, you know. That's it. I just leave you guys.
We are not hearing. Mama, we are not hearing.
Live your platform. Bye.
Thank you, mommy.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma.
Hello?
Hello. Welcome to the live stream.
Hey, make I talk small.
Yeah,
talk.
My sister, what I want to ask, what Korra be the expect, say if he divorce, say go easy. Now, what she be the expect? It even hard for two parents to take care of children, talk less of one. It's
yeah.
Sorry, guys.
And
no problem.
And secondly, as for that school uniform, you tell me, as a mother, if you not see your pikin they go school the next day, in the night when they don't sleep, you get their school uniform, get them iron. If you are not be able to iron it, then you stretch them, hang it on top of the, or you hang it on hanger. It will stretch for the following for the next day.
Yeah.
My sister.
For the
yeah. Like I said to you, you say you are a mother, right?
Yeah.
Nobody is happy what they saw. It's one of.
I finish?
Let's say if
let she finish explain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah. You can, if she can hang it. What Korra is this? Korra is too attached to social media. It's attached to social media. You're supposed to spend with your children. You are on social media. It's not that you bring out different things. You are repeating the same thing. It's quite boring.
Yeah.
You repeat the same thing. I am not against her being on social media, but bring out different things that will get more interesting. I'm telling you, I said it on your platform, Mama. From now 3 years, you will see what we have. Korra will be like football. Where the pool hole would not make.
God no go agree. God no go agree. I beg. Sister, don't do.
My sister, I'm not praying. But if she did not bring out some new thing, that's what it's going to be. Because if you remember Mickey and Jeremy, I don't know, those two couple, American couple, the girl is a model. They were reigning on YouTube then. They divorced. As they divorced, everybody mind their business, not all those one. Every time you will manipulate people, and every time you bring out stories. I am not against Korra, you understand? But the truth have to be said here. Korra know how to manipulate people. Somebody who always like to receive, but you never want out. Oh my God. The people that is giving you, do you think they have it that much? No. Like Mama said, everybody is poor, eh?
Yeah.
But we
Everybody is poor.
But when people decided to help you out and they see a situation, they say you Korra earn a lot of money on social media. It is not that expensive. People that is watching you for Nigeria and you will tell, I want to share a child card for appreciation. And secondly, when she received all those gifts, she will feel unhappy as if you don't buy what I want. It's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
We need to read body language. When people are speaking, I always read their body language and try to. Korra should learn how to give out. All those artists, and so you are a mother, and in another touch, you are a mother. Teach you also. It was take time off social media. Spend that quality time with your children. I'm not saying don't come on social media.
Yeah.
If example, in the morning when you are getting them ready in school, like you said, my sister, get them before you bring them out on social media. You are the one that giving people a lot of negative things to say about you.
Yeah.
They did not house. Not everything you bring on social media. If it's the money when they came back from school, spend quality time with them. Probably when they sleep, you can come on social media. For goodness sake, Korra, you know people don't hate you. People, nobody hate you. Even me that is talking, I don't hate you, my dear. Hey, take time off. Talk to your children. That modality, that quality time without camera. You understand me? So that even when you are in a restaurant, you put camera on children. When you are this, you put camera on children. It's too much. Not only that we just say too much. And secondly,
make content. My sister, na content she they do.
I not say na content. Na content it they make. My sister, a time where those children will not like it. I'm telling you that.
Not be lie. Not be lie.
They will not like it. It's too much.
My sister, sorry. You said it all, yeah? You said it, thank you.
Yeah.
You see, the advice you are giving to Korra, if really she across it, I believe she should take the one she wants to take.
Yes.
You understand? But for that children, I don't know which of them. It may be the first one. That clothes she didn't iron. You and I, we don't know if she doesn't have iron in the house at that point of time. That's why I say we shouldn't judge. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Only thing is that Korra should have sought the children out before coming online. So because of it's not that it happened all the time. That's why I say we shouldn't talk about children. It's even wrong of we discussing Korra children on live. You understand? If Korra do something, we should address it. Like the reason why there's something that makes me come in here. That Nancy advised Korra to leave the husband. That's why I joined this online. If not, you won't see me here. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's all I have to say. We should just leave the child own, Korra's children's own, ironing or not ironing. Because I don't know your home. You don't know my home. You don't even know if my child even iron or not. What if I don't have iron?
Yeah, it can happen.
Korra, where she's living in America, she's not living like that posh house. She's trying her best. Maybe one day we hear good news as well. That she what we are expecting is what we saw. What we are going to see. You understand? Please, we should just leave the children. So the reason why I came in here is because of Nancy based on Nancy advised Korra to pull off from. I don't think so. If you love your husband and your husband loves you, I don't think there's any reason your sister should advise you to pull out from your marriage, except you are complaining bitterly, and your sister says that is not good for your mental health. She can only advise. You understand? Because based on what Nancy said, based on what I saw her life, she said she tried her best. And if you see Korra, you will see that she's not even happy leaving the man. Likewise, the man. You understand? So whatever has happened. You understand? So for me, I think we should I'm going to leave online. That's all I have to say.
God bless you.
Yeah?
God bless
so
you.
Somebody should do. I don't think the sister advice. If you love your husband, nobody will tell you to leave your husband. It doesn't matter if you are black or white. except you are complaining the man is not treating you well. You understand?
Yeah.
So I remember when Korra introduced Justin, this is my husband. So when Mama was saying that two of them plan it, and they said that, you know, I was like, okay, Korra started it first. So later she introduced her husband, you know. So for me, I don't know why, apart from money problem, I don't think it's money issue that cause problem. Yeah. Maybe it's a part of it, but this is their own personal issue.
I believe it's money problem. Because everything was okay before. Everything was fine and good. But after when Korra started making some money, you know, even her sister also said something like that. She said it.
Yeah, that's why if it's the money that cause problem, for me, what your husband have is yours. Whatever you have is your husband's one. Yeah, that's what I believe. Except the man is trying to use Korra, and Korra doesn't want it that way. You understand? I don't know if Korra has been giving Justin money, or Justin is the one giving Korra. I'm not there, so I won't even judge. So I'm not there.
Also confirm that last year Korra started making some money. Okay, Justin was the one doing everything. She confirmed also.
Anyways, what's money? All these things is vanity upon vanity.
Yeah,
you're going to lose all these things. You understand? So for me, it doesn't make sense. If it is that is exactly what happened. But money shouldn't be a problem. A responsible man shouldn't look into a wife money. Likewise, both of it's still the same thing, but except one of them is trying to be greedy. But I don't know. You understand? But I doubt, because I'm not too sure.
Yes, when greediness is there,
it's
very difficult.
Justin should go and work, you know. You should work.
Justin is working also, my sister. It's working. It's not that it's not working. My sister, you know what I'm saying?
Like now, you know why I'm saying it? You know why I'm saying it?
Not the work.
Let me mention
America. My sister, when you were there for America, then you still tell me whether or so. If you know the work, you know if you enter America, okay? Because they go ask her many things. I believe they demand the work. They do everything. Our sister and Nancy confirm and say, now when Korra start to get this money, no problem come. Because now demand they do everything before.
Yeah, demand they do everything before. Yeah, fine. But
sister, I know they hear you, America. I know we know they hear the voice.
Okay, now you can hear. I pray on mute before.
Yes.
Okay, let's go there. Let's go about aspect of money in marriage. You know, in marriage, it's like three things that go break marriage. Either intimacy or cheating or money. These three things will break marriage. One, the money aspect of it is just the same thing as when a man go back and go bring a wife come abroad. So when you don't bring this wife, they are the one that did everything for the woman to come here, right? By the time the woman don't come, maybe she can't walk, she can't walk, or she can't get good job. Some men don't want their wife to get a good job so it could be any good money, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. By the time the woman started working, now maybe the man is not earning good money, or let's say they are both in low rates of payments, you know. Then at the same time, because the man know that he feel that because he's the one that brought this girl from Africa now. Some of the men, they will say, whatever you are getting, your paycheck, I want that money to be going to this account. Don't touch it. You want to be in charge of that money. So because this lady, she's new in town now, she will let the man continue to do what he's doing. Oppressing her with the money and everything, she will keep quiet. After a year or 2 years, now her eye will begin to be opening. As her eye began to be opening, and this man want to continue the same thing, some of the men, they will not let the woman know, even make use of that money. Anytime she want to take money, we ask, what are you going to use the money for? And I want to send for my money, I want to send for. They'll say, no, maybe they need 300. The man will say, take 100. You know, then this guy is not going to feel good. You know, that $100 is not going to be enough for our family back home. It's not going to be enough. So the best bet for a man that bring any woman from abroad, when this guy started working, let her have access to her money. If you want her to pay any bills in the house, give her her own check. She will pay it. You don't have the right to tell her how to use her money, or you're going to go into her account. No, that will break the marriage. Because
yeah,
right now, you are going to make her, you are making her a slave to her own money. Women don't like that. There might be a fool for you 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, definitely. How long you can eat it, but they're gonna leave you because of what you did to them. You made them a slave to their own money.
Yeah.
So
That's right.
this is what happened. When you guys said when Justin brought Korra to abroad, he was the one doing everything. Yeah, Korra was not working. She don't have any money income coming. So no, by the time Korra started getting money, she's big money is coming into the account. Now, Justin want to withdraw from working, from being a man or paying his own bills. Now he's using Korra money to be paying bills.
How do we know that he's using Korra?
In another platform, somebody said that Korra talked to in this aspect. And not only that, my sister, we're all going to use our brain. There's another of our Nigerian marriage couple that I'm going to say. Because people are saying that Korra used Justin. I said, no, he didn't use him. He didn't use him for no reason. You know, in the money aspect, by the time Justin started wanting to use this girl to a slave to our own money, women don't like it. They will hate you. Sorry. They will hate you no matter what. So they said at that time, now, when Korra was making money, the money was going to their account. That Korra don't have account right now. That time, she don't have account. And then Justice started using the money and say, oh, I'm owing school loan, They were using Korra money to do everything. And they said whenever they go to restaurants, Justice will buy things. They will be using the money lavishly. But when Korra will use the money, it will tell her that if this is enough, don't use this like this. Use this like that. Fine. The woman will be washing. So by the time, what really break them up is this. By the time Justin wanted to use Korra now to be benefiting himself, he refused to go back to job. As he said 3 years ago, Justin did not go back to work. Always complaining, I have back pain, I have this pain, that pain, because no money is coming to the account. Then what is Korra going to do? And at the same time, Justice was a little bit abusive to Korra, thinking, I'm leaving you, I'm leaving you, I'm leaving you. Some men do that too. We are all women right here. Some men do that. When they see that you are really into the marriage, when they are not ready anymore, they'll keep saying, I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Justice always saying, I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Then Korra said, leave. That's when he jumped out of social media. I'm leaving Korra, because Korra always said, don't go there. Don't go and say this. Save our marriage. Save our marriage. She think one day will come, she will say, do your worst.
Yeah.
That's when Justice really say, okay, do my worst. And he went and said to do your worst. This is the result, the worst brought out from Justin. Then Korra was like, I'm done. Let's finish it. That's number one. People that is saying that Korra used Justin, didn't use her. It's just the money aspect that separated. Either money separate marriage, intimacy will separate it, or cheating will separate it. Okay, let me go there. Tiwa Savage, what happened in their marriage? Tiwa Savage was the breadwinner of that a marriage. Even the marriage they went to do whatever they went to do it. Tiwa Savage said she spent all her money to do that marriage. Then her husband become her manager. What is this guy did? What's his name? I forgot his name. Tiwa Savage, our musician and Nigerian artist. Okay, fine. Then this man will be lavishing Tiwa money the way he likes. Use it to carry women, use it to do this. They will pay money to Tiwa Savage accounts. He will not see the money. Later we call them, if people pay the money to my account, the money was supposed to use for this or for that. They'll say, yeah, they are paid the money to your husband. She never see all this money. What happened? One day, Tiwa Savage said, I'm done. At the same time, you are using my money, using it to cheat on me, carrying women, you don't have respect for me. Keep that in. So what I'm saying here is that for men or women, even if you bring any woman from abroad, in Africa, wherever you brought them from, let the women have access to their own money. If you want to give them responsibility to do in their own home, let's sit down and share it. Okay? share it, but don't make the women to be a slave to their own money. No, as you were saying, Unshakable Mama, I said the woman money is for the husband, the husband money is for the woman. Even when a man that has the money, even still, they will not let the woman know where they put their own money. They will always give them, take this, I put this in your account too. You think they let the woman know all the money they have? No. It don't happen.
Hello?
Woman they make money.
Yeah.
Woman when they make money. The woman when want make man no say, this is my money, you can use it. They don't know you're ready to be loyal for that woman. You will be ready to lawyer for that woman. Okay? If a woman want to give you all her money so that you know what she's doing, she will give you a card. She'll give you a card. Use it, money. Then you have to be ready to be lawyer for that woman. Lawyer. When they say lawyer, they need to do everything. All she gets up to this to work that money. You know, let me just call it this way. What's everywhere? Work that money. Why you be lawyer? At the same time, you are using my money and you're not lawyer to me. Oh boy, you go dump your house. She go dump your house.
All na still money problem.
All na money problem.
All na money problem.
All na money problem. It's just the way they're supposed to do. The way they're supposed to do is just like this. Okay, baby. You are any big money like this, or any big money. Let's share the bills. Definitely, when we share the bills, it's the woman that always do more in the house.
That's it.
It's the woman that will buy clothes for the children. It's the woman that will do this. It's the woman that will do that. Thing that is supposed to be in the house. It's the woman. You know.
My sister, you know, say, me I talk once, you know, say, okay, I think 3 years, now Korra done there for America now, be? If maybe Korra really want me save the marriage, this money, according to her sister, now just last year, now Korra start to get this money. When you say she don't spend like say now 5 years, now let me want to carry this family they go. You understand what I mean? Because even though say okay, last year you start to make this money, this thing can't happen now. At least maybe for the thought, say maybe okay, this woman don't really try. The man not they go work again. You don't leave everything for this woman for the past 4 years or 5 years. That one,
thank you, Mama.
You say?
I said thank you. They listen.
Yeah, because now that from there I was me I go even to say this man you're all too much. Our woman go job this say they work now only she you leave everything for her. You understand? Because this one away come between two of them. You just start to collect this small money. Okay, the man say maybe they do one like this, maybe they do one like this. Good and fine, fairly van. Because of waiting, you know, first you look the side with the time where you say you know that get. Now the man they do everything. First you look that side, then you know that side you come down for the man. Maybe they use a probably not they. But you know me say now you want to continue everything. So women they way they still continue no talk. But depends on what you need for life. Okay. So like this one now, it can't be say the money never even start to they use. They never even start to they use and Korra come bust come out. You understand? So that thing was like, okay, I could come just stay on my own, man. They control my money. I don't need any bad person where go come they tell me say do one like this, do one like that. You know, it was too quick for me. Oh, everybody gets your opinion.
Not be with the talk.
Hello. Hello.
Wait to my sister. Wait.
Hello.
Not be with the talk.
Okay.
It's because this marriage now, you hear when I talk, say from 1 to 5 years, the game must enter marriage. It's how we handle it. Because Justin run out to social media, you know, he run out to social media, and at the same time, even if he even run out to social media, if Korra want to save that marriage, I know say the guy did wrong, right? They will separate for a while. Everybody go think well, but they give social media, make they hold them, make they talk about them, you know, and maybe what's her name? Korra now and Justin, their head they make sha. They don't want to hear anything now because the fight just started. You know, if anything can still come in that they will still resolve it, maybe in another 1 year or whatever. You know, Justin said, I'm divorcing Korra. He never want to go divorce because he don't want to pay money to do divorce. And Korra now don't vex. He vex when it's okay because he don't disgrace the family for social media. All that happened, she did the divorcing and divorced the man. You
But it's not only just to disgrace Korra. Korra also disgraced Justice family. When Nancy came and started Justice father and mother, you people did not watch it.
Not two of them disgrace their family.
Not two of them. And secondly, it was too quick for Korra.
I will block this person. No, you don't insult people's things. I just they watch you. I will block you.
When you say it was too quick, you know, when you say it was too quick, there's nothing. It took quick for her to do the divorce. Is that what you mean?
No, it's too quick for her to do, because let's assume it. Justin, I don't know how long Korra has stayed in America since all those years, because it's all those years, it was Justin that was taking care of Korra, and he never came out to complain. You understand me? If something can't turn around, let's say something turn around like this, why Korra will come feel like says Justin they spend the money, which spend the money Korra they spend. And secondly,
my sister.
Wait. Secondly, when this matter come out, a lot of people come and start blasting Justin. Lazy man, go and work. Who was working since all those years? Feeding Korra.
Was the man?
Oh, feeding Korra and Korra expenses. Who was doing that? Is you people? Is not those people that is insulting Justin?
No.
And let me tell you, people that investigate this matter is comment section. People that is comment. Korra, you are a strong woman. You can do it. Just divorce him. Don't allow him. They are the one that investigate this matter.
See,
they are another one again. You understand me? Korra now felt like, okay, since they are hailing me, now chef, maybe not you chef eat poison. Maybe not you chef eat poison.
Not easy anyway.
My sister.
See, like me now, like me now, I will get misunderstanding with my husband. We separated, right? We separated. I don't think anybody will feel on they hype me, say, you can do it. When I know what I'm suffering inside,
okay.
Nobody can tell me that. I might be separated from my husband for a while. If I see it's not very easy for me, and I know the area that my husband is wrong or right, I'm not going to say because of the hyping, they are hyping me. It's really going to make me break that marriage. There will be a time it's only me that know what I'm facing inside the house. So I will say it's not because of them hyping her. It's not because of them hyping her. It's what she chooses to do. She chose to do that.
Why she did not cry out? Why she did not cry out? She saw those here that Justin was abusing her. Why? Why she didn't cry out? It's really abuse was really
no abuse not there, my sister. And that money problem. No abuse.
Because people that is saying that Justin was abusing her.
No.
Because some bloggers have said Justin is abuser. He's abusing Korra. Yes.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Yes.
My sister, please, I will just I'm supposed to leave this online, but let me say something. Yeah?
No problem. With the
guys is making me to laugh, to be honest. Don't forget, Justin is not the first. Korra is not the first wife. Justin has ex. In fact, he has children somewhere else. You understand? In a relationship, it doesn't matter if you have 2 or 3. That if a relationship want to work, a relationship will work. A relationship that will not work.
Does Justin have other children outside?
Of course. Yeah, of course.
He only have ex-wife. We didn't hear that he had children.
No children.
Okay. Okay. Yes. But what do you understand that? Let me say something.
They do the time when they're young, something like that.
It doesn't matter who help each other. Whether Korra have paper and help Justin, as Justin, or Justin help Korra. It doesn't matter. Anyone God said you are going to help each other is going to help. Let's say now, if Justin help your wife, no problem. And now Korra is earning, and Justin feel that because he has helped Korra, she has to pay back or whatever the reason is, I don't know. But what I'm trying to say here is, if you are not encouraging your wife, if your wife is he's not working, Because if you are working, you have time to be chasing your wife money. You understand? Korra is not working. This is the only thing she do. This is the only thing that pays her. If the man is abusing this woman's money, I don't think that woman will have that encouragement to pursue more. Because if she stop, all of them will sit down at home. You understand? If she's not doing all these things, you look at how she's wearing bra now. Everybody is cursing her. They're not cursing the husband. The husband himself doesn't even care. Like the way we are bothered. You understand?
What of people that is cursing her husband? They curse
the husband because he didn't act like a man. The mortal one.
Men with the tower said the truth. How did man act?
Hold on. The husband came out and said he's divorcing Korra because he didn't say Korra is divorcing him. He said he is the one divorcing Korra because of one thing. He didn't mention about this money because it was today now I know that it's money that is bringing problem. You understand? Because this one will come and say something else. This one will come and say something else. You understand? They will say because they're smacking this one. That's why. This one said because it's too much thing. I said they're following Korra. No matter what, no matter even if your wife is not giving money because you helped her, leave it for God. Go and work.
Exactly.
Let God judge.
It's working.
Because women like money. Women can give you money when you show them love. They don't care whether you help them before or not.
Exactly.
Women have a soft heart. If they want to, today, woman can say, "Oh, I will give you money," but in the next, the way you pet your woman, she will give you everything she wants.
I'm telling you.
So I don't know the game they are playing, but whatever it is, no matter what, this woman just give birth. That's when I started following Korra. She just give birth, and this is what you did because of money.
No,
how much is it?
Because now sister, now Nancy tell her make come out for house.
Nancy, you people did not hear it was Nancy that asked him to leave the house.
Yeah.
Nancy was the one.
Hear that.
See, Nancy asked Justin to leave the house.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, okay, listen.
Now, listen, my sister. Wait, sorry. You don't know why Nancy asked the guy to leave if that guy is abusing her sister, and one day Korra, God forbid, batting. Who is going to take care of? I mean, who are they going to call? It's not Nancy. If Nancy don't want Justin to hit her sister, I will just advise him leave the house. It doesn't mean to leave the house because I don't know how we are treating
my sister. Nancy asked Justin to leave the house, but it was not because she was laying her hand on Korra.
No.
They were arguing. You understand?
My sister.
This matter, you people are just blaming Justin. Justin should go out.
My sister, sorry. My sister, where are you from? Where are you calling? Where are you calling? Nigeria or any of the Europe?
I think in London. She did Londden.
I did Nigeria. No, Mama, I did Nigeria.
Okay.
I did Nigeria.
Okay,
because,
my sister. You see, we in Nigeria, we have law. You understand? Here, see, even when you are arguing, one of them call police. Police will tell the man leave the house.
Leave the house.
I know that. Yes.
See, it doesn't mean. See, somebody in Nigeria cannot tell a man leave the house, and the wife will accept. Like maybe some men some men will be angry with their wife or their girlfriend, and instead of them to hit that woman, they will just walk away. Maybe go to a bar just to get fresh air.
Then you go come
fresh air. You understand? And come home. If your sister, Korra's sister, ask him to leave, and he actually leave, meaning you doesn't love your.
No.
Even if you ask for one, you come back home.
When her sister tell her may leave, he not go. He's still there for the chat. He said, "I have told you several times to leave the house." The man not quick come out, so okay. Before he come, before you come from us.
Why is it that when Korra was making video, frowning face, you people don't observe abuse? Korra was the one abusing justice. May with the tower said the truth for here. Not because said a Nigerian person, may we just gather support Nigeria. She's a Nigerian person. They are both human. When somebody is wrong, we go direct. This person is wrong. When justice for wrong, we go direct. Justice is wrong. Yes, justice shouldn't have left that marriage. Secondly, because of money, when somebody, I'm sorry, the way we needed to do my thing. Now my husband they pay for my school. My school loan, now they pay. If salary come, I know they do like say we share bill. You pay your own and I pay my own. And my husband get access to my account and get access to his account. No hitting. When the man help you, when it's time for you to stand, but I'm a stand by.
You don't even expect the man to tell you.
Maybe the time I said the truth.
You don't even need.
Just because you have not started receiving money, you just a fight quarrel. No, quarrel with justice. Now, maybe saying only you can receive them. What of the what the justice have done for Korra? Nobody is speaking about that. All you people say justice should go out. Justice should go out. They just told you people it does not have work.
Working. They just want to talk that one.
He has been the one carrying responsibility. All those one. Only one year. Korra carry responsibility. The all white world hear about it. What does the man be doing?
That's some women be there.
Because they know you born a human being.
Okay, now.
You born if not black, the same thing that she go still do. That's the way be like that. I be like that. Okay.
Sorry, she's a greedy person. When you are
sure?
Like that.
My sister, you sure? My sister a greedy person. You sure? Even the luggage. So,
sister, wait till say greedy.
Yeah.
But you know, saying at the same problem, I break it was Savage and the husband. So who can greedy there?
My sister too was what you can recall and her husband is the difference. I know they can't that one. That one is a big celebrate. I don't see Korra is a celebrate for social media. You understand? Like I said before,
Korra is a celebrity of social media. Celebrity of social media. While the man was slaving her to her own money. No woman want to hear that.
My sister,
wait. That my sister where they talk so, right? You say you and your husband, una they use money to they play with each other very well. Do you know some men are very generous when it comes to their money? Do you know some men when they have last kobo in their pocket, let's say they have $100, when they see say their wife no get, that their wife don't say, honey, I get $100, now I get last to take $50 for inside. Do you know some men are very generous like that? That kind of a man, do you think that when I have money, I not go share my money with that kind of a man? Yes, I will do that. But at the beginning, when I see that the man, it was always a stingy man. You know, they bring money out, you know, they give me, and you come to say when I get surplus money tomorrow, I'll come give her. No.
So, me I quickly brief you about my story. She was the one that came here first. Then I applied for a family reunion. Then my husband from Europa came here. I was the only one working for years. For years, which I'm not going to mention to years. Nobody heard about it outside. When my husband was looking for work, going to school, I was the same time working, going to school. Would you believe nobody can carry out the responsibility? When my husband gets a job, he was the one for my school not paying. You understand me? Because that kind of stuff, we tell you that it just is opposite for Korra and justice.
Yes, you see, before you were carrying the relationship, right? You work, you pay bills and all that. Then at the same time, when your husband not get a job, you were going to school. Then your husband carry over again too. It carry over the responsibility.
Yes, that's why what of people. Yes.
He carry the responsibility.
But more than reality, it be like say you don't make noise for here. Why you go say make person not comment? You will give out what to. I me get my platform. Not everybody will comment. Not insult anybody for here. Okay.
You know, What I'm trying to say here is that what we're trying to say, we are all women, you understand?
Exactly.
In marriage, now the hand where the man take carry the woman, you know. Some women are ungrateful. Let's put it that way. Another one too. Some women are very ungrateful. Some women are very ungrateful. But the ones that is not ungrateful, the hand where the man take carry the woman at the beginning, they're the same way the woman go return back to her.
I go block her, don't worry. Make them stop it. I go block her, don't want her.
Not the same way.
Don't fight anybody, just do the listen.
Go return back to her. In another one again, men should also learn how to use abusive words for their wife.
You see the hurt. We are not hearing anymore.
So because that one too can still cost to the what do you call it, to the marriage. Abusive word all the time for the woman, you this, you that will break a marriage too.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Thank you for that word.
Yeah.
Well, I don't.
Thank you. We really enjoy it. No, see, we not insult anybody. Everybody talk your opinion.
Which is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Well.
And do you guys know that anyway, all this one we're just saying it on our own, just for us to be awareness and all that. Korra has already paid Justin off for all this. I bring you come abroad, I show you where or whatever. $50,000.
You see?
You not pay her off. You not pay her off. Now the money when they work together, okay? You know, say when you work together, your money there with the other side. You need to you not pay her off.
So, my sister, what you are saying that don't you use her student money to marry Korra and spend on it?
He said that he used her student money.
He said that he go borrow money, okay? You know, so he bought, then they do that.
You know
and you believe it? Where's the evidence that he borrowed that money for Korra?
Okay, where they for see the money?
Let me tell you, Mama, let me tell you, there was one of my co-workers, she's from Philippines. Her husband went to Philippines and married her with her daughter that he had for another man. They bring her here. This man sponsored this girl to school. This guy gave this man 3 children. Then we were working together. So this guy came to work and started crying. Hey, he want to divorce her husband. Her husband had a lot of debt. Oh, blah, 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 blah. A lot of creditors. I tracked this guy down. Ask her some questions. When your husband was coming to Philippines, spending money, did you ask him which company they work? He said no. Did you ask him where did you see money you were spending? He said no. After when you came here, who was sponsor? You said it was her husband. Who was feeding? You said it was her husband. Who was spending money for your family? She said it was her husband. I said now you are working because you are earning. You want to divorce the man. He said too much credit card. So my dear, go back. You are ungrateful bastard. You should go back and beg your husband. You understand me? Help the man to pay off the credit card because that's the credit card. He paid for you. You came here. You eat free food. You go. He sponsor you free food. He spend a lot of money. Spending money for family now for you to help him. He's trying to divorce him. They're not do things like that. They do things for people. Let me tell you, this thing will happen. It will put a lot of people away. That's the truth of the matter.
Not true. Not true.
You know.
Well, what can I say? All right then.
For Korra matter, like people are saying that she should change her ways, how she's doing. That's her content. She's never gonna change. Opening her butt or was all over everywhere. It's inside garbage. You was in the toilet. You was in the kitchen on top of the sink. She's not gonna change it because that's where she's making her money from.
Yeah.
By the time she stopped washing around,
they make her money, my sister. You know, say we go the talk. But as you see them make the money, make the same for your body. You know, something like that.
Okay, that aspect of one say me that they see the thing for your body. Now wait, that one they pay no, but you know they pay her.
Let me watch with the talk now.
But
let me watch with the talk. Say as a celebrity, when you now, say you understand.
Now what you not won't try let us know say her sister they dress the way she they dress because she get aim. But we are not seeing it that way. Except you are smart. If they are not, if they are okay, whatever her sister is doing, then why are we complaining?
Yeah, but we are not complaining. It was a man who gets on social media. Yours is a power. Korra is a rich woman. Korra is a million. So when you have the me, I don't know, shout. You stay abroad. Your children are abroad. You want to go do this for Nigeria. When at the end of the day, let will say, I don't know. Because it was her fans that is bashing justice is a poor man. That's what brought all those nonsense.
You know what? You know what you just talk so, my sister. You know, say some people the way they invest for Nigeria because Nigeria they easy to invest money. You understand? They're very easy to get your money from abroad for you. You can go and go invest, you know. But if you be say maybe 5 years time, 10 years time, everything will be say it's this land. You understand? So okay, I want to say America with my children. Maybe not born again, okay? So maybe you go born for. Or if you born for Nigeria, good and fine, go continue here. Because those children will be say born for there, they know what call Nigeria.
You understand?
No,
for the
investment,
go Nigeria. Say the quarter say why you go invest there because many of us with the do because now easy pass to do something. If you want to invest money for here, it's very hard. But you know me say maybe you not still get your own house for here. You understand? To secure yourself, okay, you understand when you get your house. That one good and fine.
Even they who buy for herself, you know they buy for her children, or send people give gifts.
Now you see that aspect of it. Now way be that. Now way be that. Even if me she go even buy expensive clothes, now the rag where they inside those expensive ones, those big brand names. Now she go buy now the rag. Now she go wear.
Mama, I'm not saying buy expensive. At least when you are coming back from travel, I still thought they go travel. I don't know. Buy something for your children. Money is back. That's something. Wait, nothing. What? Who are you going to spend the money for? You are going to spend it in Nigeria, not your children. If you want to ask your follower, I need this land, give me. You don't want to spend money on your children.
What about my sister? What about when you go this Nigeria now? What do you give the sister children? Nothing.
Okay, that aspect, my sister, you know, that her sister have everything. She have everything. Just like when she's coming out, like her sister said, he said she don't need to buy them anything.
My sister, anybody where they travel, where they come from abroad, even chocolate, that's still something.
My sister,
okay. When you say chocolate,
you don't do Korra. This one, no, these children that are not black, that are white.
Understand? We just talk about
you understand? So please take it easy.
Just contribute. I like this kind of people just talk. You know, say our own with the talk.
I know.
Now I own with the talk. You know, but what I see, what I see in Korra issue is that that's who she is, and especially at this time, she's in a state of which English I go put now, a state of a very, very high depression stage. Now she do. Now they look like that. It was left and right. It's not easy for them. That's why I thought say carry cloth come out with for picking to wear excuse. It is say you see that cloth excuse. She's stressed. She's stressed. But do you know what it is when you have one baby and you can't born another one? You never struggle. Before you get used to having 2 children taking care of them, you got to be a year plus. Going to 2 years, then you will not be strong inside and say, I do this, I'll do this, I'll do this. So whatever she's doing now, she just a wax up and down, just they put everything together and money they come. That's what she just focus on. So I know they took their headache for that girl matter, because even though
you know, Mama, but when person they make money, I know say she's stressed out. I believe that her enemy is depressed. That's just the truth. But Azumi say you want to make money, make money, make money. At the end of the day, when the sickness are rejected for her, when sickness hook her, her enemy will come spend all those money. You get one Chinese man will use that to make parable. You work and work and work and work. At the end of the day, you spend the money for work. While working, you forgot to take care of yourself. If she's depressed, if you look at her body language, her enemy is depressed. Let her go and seek for help to clear her head, so that she can live to take care of her children. Now her matter now, get her to
Korra is a young lady. You know, her blood is very hot now. You understand? She's going to calm down. You don't expect her 50 years time. She'll be doing all this. You understand?
That's what I said. Yeah, this time around, this thing they do, so you can still be making your life video.
Don't worry.
Yeah, you can still be making your life video. You'll be going to school for future sake. Have a career for future sake. In future, you are not going to tell the father we do live video to become on city yet. America is the land of opportunity, which you can study, have a career, save that career for future. Me, I don't know, my life, me, I live my own get my career for her.
Sister me, we talk about career. Korra can go to school at the age of 50. You know that? So, but now she money first. Before this social media money quench, before it finish, she got to make up the money.
She wants to connect her.
It's a wrong, not the wrong, my sister. Mama, social media money not the wrong. But then you see they do social media, they do
This is the time she can get it. This is the time. She go school, she go get career later. It say she not go do, she go do. But right now, 50,000 in a month. $50,000. Which school they bring that one? 50,000 in a month. For now, let her make that money.
Hey. You know, say we're not working not tomorrow. Tomorrow they're pregnant, eh? Tomorrow is pregnant.
She don't talk her own.
Okay, now my sister, let me know
Thank you guys very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. I appreciate your opinion, because you don't insult anybody.
No,
God bless you.
It's okay. Bye. Yeah,
as soon as I God bless you.
Why we go carry headache for Korra matter? I beg you.
Now she they bring her call now. Now we there, yeah. Anyway, now do well. Thank you, my sister. God bless you. Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate una take on. Only one person for there. They insult people for there. Nobody insult. Everybody talk their opinion. You know, talk your mind. Probably not there. You do and well, not do and well. Probably not there. You talk your own. So as we don't still listen to our sister, because many people talk about nursing the way we talk. Okay, now because of say you want to go do something back home, then you can go wrong, go divorce, because sometimes you need to still wait to see if the marriage will still go ahead. You know, say something if it take like a year to see whether Nafi still come back, but everywhere everything come quench like that, good and fine. So family then get their happiness, and that one's the important part. But Korra, try to do like celebrity where you still say you be celebrity for social media. Everybody know who be Korra, you go know who be Korra. Okay, see they do something well like that bag. I bet not carry upon this abroad or through and find better one if they come so that we go still talk. Say Korra still here, or he carry another one. The one we still dey okay. Find one and something where still dey quality. So now be that one, because sometimes it's good when you tell person the truth. If you not tell them the truth, no, say this thing not good. You go still they do one. because most people, because of say they love Korra, they not go like to tell them the truth, because they say they like her, we love her like that, we like her like this. Anything where they do, they know they see the bad one. Now everything they good for them. So thank you for being here. God bless you. See you for my next. I will see you now this evening. Maybe we can't talk about KO family. Okay? Bye for now. I appreciate you now.